everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Novan Hilmi. I'm in this video explain about final exam assignment, introduction to literature course, and let's get started to the explaining. The first, I'm read the poem. The title is Hope, written by Emily Dickinson. Hope is subtle glutton. He feeds upon the fire, and yet, inspected closely, what abstain is there? He is the helicon table, that never sits but one, and whatsoever is consumed, the same amounts in man. Short biography of Emily Dickinson. He was born December 13, 1830 and died May 15, 1886. Was an American poet. He is famous for his poetry. In the past, he is from Massachusetts, and he is famous for these poems full of taste and unique words. He spent most of his life at home. Emily loves flowers and used them to express her feelings in her poems. And next is analysis the poem. Hope can be both wonderful, like in the darkness, a thing with feathers, as she says in her other poem, but it changes nothing. To hope for something is not to have that thing. To those imprisoned or enslaved, hope can allow them to live through the darkest hour, but it does not change the fact that they are still imprisoned. Hope can allow people to abstain from having the thing they want, from getting the object of their desire, from changing their circumstance. A person can still have hope things will change without doing anything to make it happen, thus fading upon itself. This is explaining about short biography of Charles Dickens. Born in Langport, Portsmouth, Hampshire, England, February 7, 1812, and died in Hillside Gate, Higham, Kent, England, June 9, 87, at age 15. Was a famous novelist, English novelist, or novelist from the reign of Queen Victoria, Britain Raya. Next is summary of Oliver Twist novel. Oliver, an orphan since birth, spent much of his childhood at a child farm with too many children and too little food. The farm is located 70 miles outside London. One night, after being served his portion of gruel, Oliver asks for a second helping. This is unacceptable, and Oliver is sent to work as an apprentice is an undertaker. Eventually, after suffering repeat mistreatment, Oliver runs away and heads for London. He soon finds himself in the presence of the artful Dodger, who tells him to stay at the house of an old gentleman named Fagin with a number of other boys. Oliver learns that these boys are trained pickpockets on a man with prompt Oliver to run away in the handkerchief from Mr. Bondow, an elderly man, which mistake Oliver behavior to for guilt and has him arrested. However, after learning more about Mr. Borno, he realized his mistake and offers to take care of him at his home. And next is explaining character and characteristic of Oliver Twist's novel. And the character in this novel is described as a strong and tough character despite going through many difficult things. And characteristic in this novel is an embodiment of the guilt felt by the rich middle class. And next is explain about summary of Sorry Wrong Number drama. Sorry Wrong Number drama is a play written by Lucille Fletcher in 1952. The main character is Miss Stevenson, an invalid who has been attempting to get in touch with her husband, who is working late. However, the line is busy and she ends up overhearing a phone conversation between a killer named George and his boss. They are discussing the specific of pending number of a woman and 11:50 p.m. that same night. Miss Stevenson attempts to get the call traced. The operator urges her to contact the police, which she does. The police can only say, "We'll check into things." Miss Stevenson then learns that her husband will not be home that evening. She realizes that she is intended murder victim. She desperately tries to get back in touch with the police, but she is too late. The murderer is already in the house, listening in on the call. Just before she is connected to police, Miss Stevenson is murdered. And next is explain about answer the question. First is, where does Mr. Stevenson suddenly go away on a business trip? Mr. Stevenson is doing research for his job. That's why he left, and there is no news either research or because of signal interfere or difficult to contact. And next question is, what does Miss Stevenson overhear on the phone when trying to contact her husband? Hear the voice of criminal chattering on the phone about the murder of the woman who lives alone near the bridge. And next, at what city does the play take place? Drama, Second Avenue. And next, what is primary motivation for Miss Stevenson killers? The killer's motivation to attack Miss Stevenson was because someone knew the chat on the phone about woman murder. The criminal afraid if the police found out and planned to kill or attack Miss Stevenson first. So that's all from me. Thank you for nice attention and listen my video. Sorry if wrong words or wrong pronunciation for me. See you.